Unveiling the Charm. The meaning of baby-faced. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that often pops up in English conversations: baby-faced. If you've ever heard someone described this way and wondered what it truly means, you're in the right place. Get ready to dive into the nuances of this interesting description and learn how to use it in your daily English. Have you ever met someone who has a youthful appearance, despite their age? That's where the term, baby-faced, comes into play. This phrase is used to describe an adult who has a youthful, innocent, or childlike appearance. It's like they have the face of a baby. Hence, baby-faced. When you describe someone as baby-faced, it's often in reference to their rounded features, smooth skin, and an overall youthful quality that doesn't necessarily align with their actual age. It can be seen as a compliment or a simple observation, depending on the context. Let's see it in a sentence. Despite being the oldest member of the team, Jamie has a baby-faced charm that confuses many. It's important to note that calling someone baby-faced can have different connotations depending on the culture and the context in which it's used. While some may take pride in their youthful looks, others might not appreciate the reference. Always use this term with sensitivity and care. You might encounter the term baby-faced in various contexts, from casual conversations to literature and even in professional settings when someone is describing a colleague's youthful appearance. For example, in the boardroom, Mark's baby-faced demeanor often led others to underestimate his experience. There are several other words and phrases that can convey a similar meaning. Some of these include youthful-looking, fresh-faced, or cherubic. Each has a slightly different nuance, but they revolve around the concept of looking younger than one's years. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what baby-faced means and how you can use it appropriately in English. Remember, it's a phrase that captures the essence of youthfulness in an adult's appearance. Whether you're describing a friend or a celebrity, now you can do so with confidence. Thank you for watching, and may your language learning journey be as evergreen as a baby-faced smile.